The Dow reached a record high during the trading session on Monday. Let's bring in Michele Schneider of the Market Gauge Group. And I know you're watching the sectors that are reaching highs, Michele.
I think the market is very interesting here in that you have some sectors doing really well, like the Dow, as you mentioned, and also transportation and retail. And all of that reflects tremendous optimism on getting back to normal from the pandemic, which is a good thing, especially as we get into the summer and hopefully somewhat of a normal fall where people go back to work, people go back to school, people start traveling, etc. However, at the same time, you have the dollar falling here and you have the interest rates rising because of this inflation scenario that's also a result of not only coming back, but also some real concerns from supply chain disruptions we have seen, and now basic shortages in some of these raw materials. So we have to keep an eye on that. The tech is feeling it. The tech sector is underperforming because of the yields rising a little bit. But if this dollar continues to fall, if it breaks, let's say, the 2021 lows, which it's not too far from, I would think that what that's sending a message to the market is that inflation could be way more unruly than what the Fed is calling transitory. And that will indeed affect everything at some point.
What's your trade of the day?
Well, right now, assuming everything holds up, we're looking at Viacom. It's an instrument that we were in earlier. We got out long before it started to sell off, holding major support here against the 200-day moving average with some potential maybe to head back up into the mid-40s, closer to 50.
Always good to get a little help from the dog. Thanks so much for coming on our show, Michele.
Okay, thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.